Hi friends, today we will discuss about fillet and chamfer tools in Autocad. These two tools are modifying tools in Autocad. Using this tool you can modify a drawing easily. First we learn how to use a fillet tool in Autocad. Fillet tools are basically used to add an arc between the two objects of the same or a different object type in a drawing. Fillets can apply on lines, polylines, rectangles, excels, rays, etc. An application for fillet is in a mechanical field, fillets are applied on interior and exterior corners of a part for a safety or any other purpose. First, let's move to the video or learn more about fillet. You can see a fillet on the screen. Here I draw two lines. In between the two lines there is an arc called fillet. You can see how it is happens. First I draw a drawing like this using a line tool. Make a corner like this using a line tool. Then fillet tool is on home tab under modifying panel. You all know that AutoCAD is basically a command oriented program. So F is the command for activating fillet. So I just type F in a command box. You can see the fillet tool here. After activating the fillet tool, you can see first the AutoCAD told us to select an objects. So I select the two lines. Now you can see automatically it's trimmed like this or a fillet like this. Then we can look how to give this fillet radius. For that we again take the fillet command and here we can see a radius option as a sub option. For activating this radius option we can type R or directly click on that options. After activating radius command you can enter the radius value. So here I give the radius as 8. Then press enter. Then again I select the same object. So new fillet is happen with a radius of 8. You can see the old fillet here of radius 5 and a new fillet of radius 8. This fillet is actually used This fillet is actually used not only for produce an arc between the points, it can also use it to sharpen a or build a corner. Let's see how it is happen. Here I draw a figure like this. My aim is to meet these two lines at this corner. So I take the fillet command. Then we move to radius sub option and give the radius value as 0. Then select these two lines. You can see it is automatically form a sharp corner without an arc. So let's move the next tool called chamfer. Chamfer tool is again one of the modifying tool in AutoCAD. Chamfer is a beveled edge of 45 degrees. The application of chamfer is used to smoothen the hazardous edges of a workpiece. Chamfering prevents the materials from breaking or tearing away from the workpiece. So let's move how to perform a chamfer tool. You can see the chamfer on the screen now. This is the final result of chamfer tool. We draw a drawing first, a corner first. Then chamfer tool is on the modifying panel. You can directly take from the modifying panel or using command. Command for chamfer is CHA. So I here type CHA on the command box. The chamfer is active. Then here we can see a sub option called angle. So I choose this option. First they ask to give the chamfer length. So here I give the chamfer length of 10. Second they ask a chamfer length angle. So it's normally 45 degrees. So I give a degree of 45. Then select the first line and the second line. You can see the chamfer. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share.